Let's create a box whisker graph using Excel. Highlight the column we want to use. Insert, go to Statistic. Select box and whisker. Here is the graph. Let's do some adjustment. Click one point in the chart. Format data cells. We want to show mean line. Okay, and click one data point. Choose Add Data Labels. We want the data labels expressed as a percentage. Click one point of the data. Format data labels. Go to number, category, percentage, decimal place 2. That's fine. And let's make the chart look bigger. And looks like the data label too crowded. Let's delete some of them. Left click one point of the data. All the data are selected. Left click again. Oh, wait a second. Left, need to wait. Left click one point of the data, and then right click, and then delete. One of the data point is deleted. Let's try another one. For example, this one. Left click, and then left click again, and then right click, delete. Okay, so by this way we can delete the data label we don't want them to show up here. Let's put the chart title on. Chart title. And we want to keep the maximum data and the minimum data, and this is the mean. Better delete this one. Left click again, right click, delete. And this data point is the first quartile. This point is the third quartile. And Excel consider the data point for above this point are outliers, and the data point for below this point are outliers.